So I found this baby bird on my step this morning. It's been here for about 2 hours. It can move around, kind of hop around, but it doesn't seem to be able to fly. It's really hot out here, so I'm just going to pour some water and see if I can cool it off a bit. Let's see. Can you move around? Can you try and fly? It's been an hour, so I'm just going to move it to where it's going to be protected from the sun and predators inside my planter over here. Okay, so it's been about another 2 hours. She's just resting and kind of recovering from all this drama this morning. She's so cute. Oh, look at her. And she moved. So it's been about 2 more hours, and she can hear her little brothers and sisters. She can hear the tweets. It's getting her attention. I went to bed that night, and the next morning she was gone. It takes a village to raise a child, and I guess that's a child from all species. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.